Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. Today is not a review or anything like that, a very short video just to give you an update. And the update is that I'm taking a vacation, a holiday in July. So that's the explanation why you won't be seeing any new videos coming out during the July, because I'm doing stuff for me. So that's basically that. And yeah, stuff to come. There's plenty of other stuff to come in August, September. Primarily, I'm going to be preparing for the start of the semester and also the release of MDO 2023, which is going to be released in September. And also there's one more bit of good news, and I have finally, after almost a year of trying, managed to establish a contact and a relationship with another e-ink manufacturer, and that's a big one, which is BigMe. BigMe is pushing like color displays for the past couple of months or a year or so, and I was quite interested to actually have an opportunity to test these devices out, and I'm pleased to report that we have a go. So that is also something to kind of look forward to, and we should be able to start seeing some of BigMe devices on my deep guide. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I wish you a very lovely summer if you're in the northern hemisphere. If you're on the southern hemisphere, yeah, have a nice winter and enjoy the inspiration and the marvel of the new images from the James Webb Telescope. Really looking forward to the new batch of images being released as well. Take care and see you in a couple of weeks. Bye.